Hello, Ghana 44. And then some baby. Oh, the Jamusum for Solomon also from Denver, Colorado, United States. Muhumi said, yeah, not just a Galam saying some and then never come. The Mutia Nuya Meboya just a Niji Abba. Now coupon, I would tear me in Piebo, no so my minimum was it done. What vindicated me. Meka for no dada eje ne uma bro ti woda meye meya mi ayo eje meyi nya mi aye mo ma nto aso ene Friday December 7th, 2018. And I may say video. Amagana Funya Etibi Ebunia Ekosu Ewogana. As far as Galamsey is concerned, dream neketa se corruption Ekosuno and then if a boom Amakanoma Bakumi will be. Me can in my next video metwaso. Enra Thursday. December 6, 2018. Yinyan TSA. I'm in low in a crack. Yinyan TSA say 16 Chinese illegal mining guys in Ghana were arrested. There are some Kobo forests, Amansia Central in the Ashanti region of Ghana. In Tia Minyani said the DCE in the Amansia West District, your friend of Mr. Samuel Watting, or ye away, send a small scale no koso. And as a motion video about out, any the size of the site now, BBN Tresse, any equipment buo, et moving equipment buo, duma, BBN Tresse. Aban penny for him movie. Miniano, a yard rebel. Na a ne and Tia Minion and ne Friday to say a ne Chinese phono, what the interministerial secretariat. I illegal mining secretariat near Wakra Charles BCU office or a Jubilee House Annex, which is the seat of the president. They've transported the Chinese guys to the seat of the president. Now, Mufu say, Obi ye illegal mining, Obi ye illegal, Obi ye criminal, you didn't call the seat of the government. How come? Why are we so stupid? And I mean, Wofu. And I mean, Wofu, because the air costume, and your Kwasasem and a Kosovo Ghana. Ye Chigana for, then we jail them. You arrest Ghanaians who are illegal miners, you jail them, you arrest Chinese who are illegal miners, then you free them. Is it fair? Other than ye 2 years soon, a form, Yansisa Ahaban, Ediashim. Is it sensible to do that? Charles Bison, Professor from Pop Watting, I'm telling you, say, a Yansadiana Motigana Moyanana. Moshe, September 11, 2018, the Minister for Local Government and Rural Development, Hajia Alima Mahama, Obabe Kanye, say, there are some MMDCs involved in illegal mining. She said she has about 70 of them. Asat now no kase. Untumi for a list by. Untumi for a list of 70 municipal and district chief executives who are involved in illegal mining. Illegal mining. Or for Omudim Baye. Now, Okoshin almost said they should desist from it or they get themselves into trouble. That was September 11th. And then December 7th. Amansia DC. Yeah, now, let me give a brief way about how many Chinese people we've arrested in Ghana and they've been freed. October 10th, 2018. 2 Chinese arrested, illegal miners arrested at the Amenfi East Municipal. October 8, 2018, 1 Chinese arrested at the Amansia West District, baby, I'm ready to see, and Amansia West, the same Amansia West, October 8th, 1 Chinese arrested. September 6, 2018, 2 Chinese illegal miners arrested at the Amenfi West. August 7, 2018, 5 Chinese illegal miners arrested at Bipotintin, Amansia Central, baby, I'm ready to see the same place. August 7th, Yachiwomo, Yaduomo Court. Justice Naura, Bekwai District, I think Magistrate Court or something, or Circuit Court. Justice Naura gave them police inquiry bail. As at now, they are walking freely in Ghana. No prosecution, no sentencing. Meanwhile, you arrest Ghanaians, then you put them into prison on similar offense. Are you stupid? Now, July 19, 2018, 6 Chinese illegal miners arrested, the same Amansia Central. June 21, 2018, 4 Chinese illegal miners arrested at Pristia Huni Valley District. Now, July 19, 2018, the chiefs in the Amansia area, Amansia Central now, the chiefs told Nana Akufo-Addo that, maybe stated, Amansia chiefs to press Akufo-Addo. He said, deal with your own people if you want to care. Galamsey, that was July 19, 2018. Nana Akufo-Addo chino, Ubu Nwegu Nasum. Upper Dentra DCE, Major Mahama, Tamon Kukuno, Oba Bonte Beka said, there are some military men protecting the illegal miners, the Chinese. And no, Muyinadi. He was speaking the truth. Why am I saying that? Omayene Kwabena Sante went to Takwa recently. Opportuna TV, Adum TV, Ekokan plane. So our evidence, soldiers, protected Chinese illegal miners. Our evidence, soldiers, protected certain Ghanaians who are operating illegally in Ghana. Kwakuba Konasia Okaye, so our evidence. Canada Japan so say what? Or ya where say illegal mining because one so can Adum TV. Now, and then 16 Chinese guys na ye chi womu ewo Amansia area no ye don ko interministerial office. Mati say ye process womu e deport womu. Why should you deport them without investigating them? To come out with the Ghanaian counterparts involved in the illegal mining. Mati said there was a guy called Mr. Insua or something. Sa Insua eye hwanua, hwan wo faase, hwan yi, oyen MPP ni, oyen DC ni, oyen hwan ni. Now, Ghanaian counterparts ben ene ka ho ema omo etumi enya sa kokuduro no ekoye sa adwuma no. Monfo omo dimbra. We are waiting for them. Okay. Because enyum na me there. Omo wa he intimu de omo ko secretariat ho mo aye mo deport omo na assembly so atwa na. Ye mra no sesen, wo che criminal, emra no se ne mra ne ka. If you arrest a criminal, do you take the criminal to the seat of the government or you take the criminal to the police station for investigations, prosecutions, and then subsequent sentencing of the criminal? Sani emranete. Charles Bishop Professor Frimpo what me kame papa da kase se munim na muye mistake. Na mu deport sanko away without telling Ghanaians who are behind the Chinese guys. Mu be hu asem betu mu Ghana. Because ye jimi on. Because MPP no mo na mo MPP ba officer na. Mukas Professor Frimpo what corrupt professor in the whole world that me will be that. You are the most corrupt professor. Me hu we ase. Sam kwase asem na okotena kolebu cardio ekoye ya omo impeach you epam free wo. I'm even surprised na Akufo-Addo akoye on Ministerial Committee chairman. Waji adwuma na 10 ministers no onkwa waji adwuma na fa because of your corrupt deals ntino efesen normal bonding na ekoswa okatakata so. Oba your friend Jojo or you involved in illegal mining. You are also involved in illegal mining. Chinese for no mumie hu o ma Don't deport them. Let them face sentencing. Say Ghana ni ekoye illegal mining. Nye chini tum dia. Ade na Chinese din dia. Okoye illegal mining na yen chini tum. We are Ghana na okọ China okodi nkwasi asema. Ye chi tum. Kwaku adobale UK. Ye mani S7 the sentence and sana ye de no ekọ Ghana. Me ti we America krom ha me we. Se mbedi nkwasi asem wo ha. Ye de me betum ansa na ye wia ye fese ye de ma ba Ghana. Inti Paul say Chinese ni abeye illegal mining abese yinsu asay ensase na mo achi no na mo mfa ne ntum na mo say mo deport no mo ye mema mo deport mo hwe mo deport mo say MPP no mo nko na mo de MPP ba power mo betam ye tie mo ni tasiri wasiafo. Now let's continue my questions. How many Chinese guys have been jailed since I chichi wo mo mebo e no emu sen ene ya jeli o mo? How many Chinese guys and you do call interministerial? I deport woman. So when media now so ama media na yidi da. Come by for chire. Media na be mu na mo person ko be dey no. Mo be ye katasu mu aso na mo de wo call. No way. And can ye be giant people no akodwane NDC. Because of Munti, ama NDC abe chimogum. We am kwasia for president for what in charge. You are stupid people. Now, how many Ghanaians have been jailed? Prisons, how many Ghanaians and jail because of illegal mining? A come the Nipano, a many war, Wakoyebi, Machin, Majelino, Chinese media, more than April, what Bodamana. Yamran is saying, Uchinipa, Confortuna, Udenepo police station. No my investigating. After investigations, no the Nepo courts. Near prosecuting, you be Jelino, near Jelino. Chinese phone, or me passing in Ghana for Chinese 16 Chinese phone, or Mudia Emrano and Chichiro Wana, Oko maybe more, or my name ran a Chichiro. Mopa more form of China, me and some more Jimmy Nambu, if I got on a Muslim, foolish people. Interministerial one a police station, interministerial one a CID office, interministerial one a courthouse. Charles Bisu, I feel what I know police in CID, what I know Hoje, una Ukodi, if I masem. I don't know for Omuko police station. CID boss, Mami to Adudankwa, may catch your plane. I respect you. Me ba office, the way you treat me. I respect you so much. So one shan can't same way an investigation. I'm an Kufa one take. I'm one mom say chino, yan punish woman. I have fire about so. My next video, me fire. I'm telling you, where am sister Penny, me fire. Because that means you are all aware. So Nana Akufo-Addo and take action was saying one. That means Nana Akufo-Addo is aware of the Galamsey issues going on in Ghana. So what that will be Nkunyano. Nana Akufo-Addo said that soon was no other. Nkunyano Nana Akufo-Addo. Yanya Kwasiafona, ye de man no etna radio so eto abama no eye campaign. What kind of nonsense is this? Are we stupid as Ghanaians? Who are behind these illegal miners? MPP for Mpeni for no am hye chire we am so big na radio so we are fighting Galamsey, we are fighting Galamsey, we are fighting illegal man. Mo fighting money ni mo se, mo fighting money tasiri osiafo foolish people. Bewofu. The next video. MPP Penifo, they catch them. Party ni brands and ever power. Mamon trauma Professor Frempong Boateng Charles Bisunti Mungo position. The youth of the nation rise up against the stupidity going on in the country. On this Galamsey, leave the ban. Look, the Galamsey in Samuel. Three things. 1. Effective and strict regulations for the licensed miners to follow. 2. Strict supervision and monitoring. 3. Law enforcement. A Minerals Commission Juma Nana Akufo-Addo dissolve the interministerial committee now and give the job to the Minerals Commission to do what the law tells them to do. Corruption na ekoso interministerial na etan ebufu ahi enkwasa sem. We are not going to sit down. I will talk. I will voice it out until the last drop of my blood. I'm ready to die because of this nonsense. What sort of nonsense is this? We can't sit down for this. We cannot disturb. This nonsense must stop now. This Galamsey Chinese nonsense must stop now. Anomachi Biaso Jibo. Within the Solomon Osu from Denver, Colorado, United States. Emre Pemono, Namedian Kwachaya, Mubesanso Atimika. Medamunasi. Thank you.